last two videos which was based on the topic input devices, where we have discussed so many devices, so many input devices. Alright, now in this video we are going to learn about output device. So my dear student, what is output device? Output devices are the peripheral devices which are used to show the entered data or processed information by the computer system, and it's called output device. In a computer system, processed data means whatever the instruction you are giving to computer, in respect of it, computer will give you the output, and that output is known as processed data. So, in respect of processed data, it is used to display or get through the output device, right? Whatever the instruction given by you to the computer, it will shown through the output devices. Now we are going to discuss about output devices, some of the output devices. So let's start with some examples, such as monitor, printers, plotters, projector and speakers. All these output devices we are going to discuss in part number 1. So let's start.
Output devices. Output devices are the peripheral devices which are used to show the entered data or processed information by computer system are called output device. Output device, it converts the electronic information into the format which can be understood by humans. In a computer system, processed data is used to display or get through output devices. Now let's see some common output devices are monitor. The monitor is the most common output device. It displays information in a pictorial form or commonly referred to as pixels. More the number of pixels, the better is the picture clarity and sharpness. It includes a screen clearance and the box in which the circuit is enclosed. The user can view the processed data on the screen. There are three types of monitor, that is LCD, LED and CRT. Now first we will talk about CRT monitor, that is cathode ray tube monitors. Cathode ray tube monitors use CRT technology similar to television. This technology uses phosphorescent dots to generate pixels that form display images. CRT monitor screens are large and consume more power. Next is LCD, that is liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display is a flat panel display that uses the light modulating properties of liquid crystals. It is used in LCD television, aircraft, etc. It is more energy efficient as it does not use phosphorus and can be disposed of more safely than CRT monitor. Next type of monitor is LED. It stands for light emitting diode. Light emitting diode is an improvised version of the LCD monitor. The technology used in both the monitors is same except the backlighting. The LED monitors are lighter, thinner and less expensive. These monitors are more reliable as they have a more broad dimming range, means they are having a broad screen. Next output device is printer. A printer is a hardware device that produces a hard copy version of the processed data from the computer. Printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from the computer and transmit the image data to the printer, usually on a paper. Printers are the most common output device to print text or photos. Some printer can print only in black and white, but today almost all the printer can print monochrome and color prints. The printer can be classified into different categories. So first is impact printer. This type of printer prints characters by striking on the ribbon and then they are pressed on the paper. This type of printer is nowadays not in use as they make too much noise. Some common example of impact printers are character printers, line printers. Now let's talk about the second type of printer is inkjet printers. Inkjet printers are printers that produce the hard copy by spraying the ink on the paper. Inkjet printer are the most widely used type of printer. There are expensive and inexpensive models available in the market. Now the third type of printer is laser printer. Laser printer use laser lights to produce dots to form the characters or printing. When a print command is used, a laser beam draws the document on the selenium coated drum using an electrical charge, giving a clean copy of the image on the paper. They have less smudging problems than an inkjet printer as they do not use inks. Next output device is plotter. It spells Plotters. Plotter. We can get the print of photograph, drawing or image stored in the system using plotter. These are generally used by the engineers and architects for generating high quality graphical output. The plotter was the first computer output device that could print graphics as well as accommodate full size engineering and architecture drawing. Using multiple colored pen, plotters were also able to print in color long before inkjet printer became an alternative. Now, let's see how many types of plotters are available. Plotters are basically of three types: flat bed plotter, drum plotter and inkjet plotter. So first we will learn about flat bed plotter. It is used to draw complex design and graphics chart. The flat bed plotter can be kept over the table. The plotter consists of pen and holder. The pen can draw characters of various size. There can be one or more pens and pen holding mechanism. Now, next is drum plotter. Drum plotter consists of a drum. Paper on which design is made is kept under the drum. The drum can rotate in direction in both the direction. Plotter comprised of one or more pen and pen holder. The pen are kept in the holder, which can move left to right as well as right to the left. The graphic plotting program controls the movement of pen and drum. The last type of plotter is inkjet plotter. Inkjet plotter creates an image by spraying small droplets of ink onto paper. A popular choice for advertising agency and graphic designer is inkjet plotter. Inkjet plotters are used generally for large outputs such as banner, billboards and etc. Next output device is projector. A projector or image projector is an optical device, is an output device, right? That projects an image onto the surface, commonly on a projection screen. You can see here on your screen, this white board can be considered as a projector screen, and this black small looking like box is called projector. Most projectors create an image by shining a light through a small transparent lens, but some newer type of projector can project the image directly by using lasers. The most common type of projector are used nowadays is video projector, which is basically used to watch a video in a large screen. Next type of output device is speaker. Speakers are one of the most common output devices used with computer system. Some speakers are designed to work specifically with computers, while others can be hooked up to any type of sound system. The sound produced by speaker is defined by frequency and amplitude. Speakers typically come in pairs, which allows them to produce stereo sound. This means the left and the right speakers transmit audio on two completely separate channels. By using two speakers, music sound much more natural since our ears are used to hearing sound from the left and right at the same time. Sound systems may include 4 to 7 speakers, which creates an even more realistic experience.